Step into a world where your home transforms into a tech-powered haven, with AI seamlessly shaping your daily life. Today we unravel the magic behind smart homes, exploring the extraordinary possibilities and the critical need for cybersecurity. Join us as we uncover the wonders of AI in homes and learn how to safeguard these innovations from cyber threats. Fasten your seatbelts for a journey into the future of home living. Chapter 1: Magnificence of AI in Smart Homes. Picture this: you've had a long day at work, and as you approach your front door, it recognizes your presence. The lights gracefully illuminate your path, the temperature adjusts to your preferred setting, and your favorite soothing music begins to play. Your smart home, like a loyal companion, creates an ambiance tailored to your desires. It's not just a home, it's a personal haven created by the magic of artificial intelligence. From voice-activated virtual assistants like the magnificence smartbot to self-learning thermostats such as the climate wizard, our homes are adorned with a tapestry of devices that seamlessly communicate and collaborate. These aren't just gadgets, they're the architects of awe-inspiring living experience. The integration of AI transforms mundane tasks into extraordinary rituals, making your daily routine a symphony of efficiency and elegance. But what makes this experience truly magnificent is the personal connection. Your smart home isn't just a collection of gadgets, it's a companion that understands you. It learns your habits, your preferences, and your quirks. It's the digital maestro orchestrating a beautiful symphony that is your life. The magnificence lies not just in the technology itself, but in how it weaves itself into the fabric of your existence, making each day a masterpiece. Chapter 2: The Vulnerabilities. As we ride the wave of innovation within our smart homes, it's time to navigate the waters of vulnerability. Our homes, once a fortress of privacy, are now a digital canvas waiting to be explored. The conveniences of AI come at a price: the risk of cyber threats. Buckle up as we unveil the potential vulnerabilities that lurk in the shadows of this magnificent technological landscape. Picture this: a hacker exploiting the interconnected nature of your smart devices, gaining unauthorized access to your personal space. It's not just about stealing data, it's about breaching the very walls of your sanctuary. Our homes have become a network of digital pathways, and where there's connectivity, there's vulnerability. The more interconnected our devices, the higher the stakes. It's a digital dance between innovation and risk. In the realm of AI, data is king. Your preferences, routines, and even your mood all stored in the digital archives of your smart home. But what if these archives fall into the wrong hands? The magnificence of personalization also raises concerns about data privacy. Your digital footprint, once a reflection of your uniqueness, can become a target. It's not just about protecting devices, it's about safeguarding the essence of your identity. In the grand tapestry of vulnerabilities, let's not forget the human element. Social engineering, phishing attacks, and weak passwords are all cracks in the fortress. As we embrace the inspiring world of AI, it's imperative to educate ourselves on the potential pitfalls and be the guardians of our digital abode. The revolution isn't just about the magnificence of AI, it's about ensuring that this magnificence remains securely embedded in the foundation of your home. Stay tuned as we explore the strategies to protect and fortify your AI-powered sanctuary. Chapter 3: Cybersecurity Measures for Smart Homes. As we continue our journey, let's illuminate the path to a secure and magnificent smart home. It's time to fortify, to shield, and to ensure the marvel of AI remains not just magnificent, but resilient against the ever-evolving landscape of cyber threats. The first line of defense is building a robust digital perimeter. Secure your Wi-Fi network with a complex passphrase like an unbreakable fortress gate. Remember, the stronger the gate, the more challenging it is for intruders to breach your digital castle. A well-secured network is the foundation of a secure smart home. In the ever-evolving landscape of cyber threats, staying one step ahead is the key. Just as knights of old upgraded their armor, regularly update and upgrade your smart devices. Manufacturers release security patches to fortify vulnerabilities. Treat these updates not as chores, but as the evolving armor of your digital sentinels, standing guard against potential threats. In the realm of AI, vision is power. Install security cameras and monitoring systems equipped with artificial intelligence that can distinguish between normal activity and potential threats. These digital eyes serve as vigilant sentinels, ensuring that your home remains under the watchful gaze of technology, ready to alert you at the slightest sign of trouble. Knowledge is power, and in the realm of cybersecurity, it's the power to protect. Educate yourself and your household on the potential threats and best practices. Be the digital knight, arming yourself with the knowledge to recognize phishing attempts, secure your passwords, and navigate the vast landscape of cyberspace with confidence. Just as a castle has multiple gates, your digital fortress should have multi-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of defense, requiring more than just a password for entry. It's like having a secret handshake that only you and your trusted devices know, ensuring that even if one gate is compromised, the fortress remains impenetrable. As we traverse the strategies to fortify our AI-powered homes, remember that the goal is not just security, but peace of mind. It's about transforming our homes into digital fortresses that stand strong against the challenges of the virtual realm. Chapter 4: How AI has revolutionized daily life. Now that we've marveled at cybersecurity measures of AI in our smart homes, let's journey deeper into the hearts of the revolution. Artificial intelligence isn't just a fancy addition to your living space, it's a game changer that transforms your daily life into a seamless and, dare I say, awe-inspiring experience. What sets this revolution apart is personalization. Your smart home isn't a one-size-fits-all solution, it's a chameleon that adapts to your preferences. Your favorite art pieces illuminate, the temperature adjusts to your liking, and even the scent in the air aligns with your mood. It's as if your home is a living entity, attuned to your desires, making every moment uniquely yours. AI isn't static, it's dynamic. It learns from your behaviors, refines its understanding, and evolves with you. Consider your smart thermostat, for instance. It not only knows when you prefer a warmer or cooler environment, but also adapts to external factors like the weather, ensuring your home is always the perfect oasis, shielded from the elements. This adaptability is the crux of the revolution, turning your home into a living, breathing entity that responds to your needs in real time. As we bask in the wonders of a home that thinks and adapts, it's essential to appreciate the technology that makes it all possible. The algorithms, the neural networks, the intricate dance of code that transforms a simple command into a symphony of actions. It's not just smart, it's genius. And in this genius lies the potential to reshape not just our homes, but our entire way of life. But, and it's a significant but, with all this magnificence comes responsibility. The more connected our homes become, the more crucial it is to safeguard this technological marvel. Chapter 5: Future Innovations and Security Challenges. Now let's cast our gaze into the future. The world of smart home technology is a canvas where innovation paints the landscape of tomorrow. What wondrous advancements await us, and what challenges will emerge as we traverse the uncharted territories of tomorrow's smart homes? Join me as we embark on a journey through the corridors of possibility and potential pitfalls. The future promises an even more harmonious symphony of integration. Picture a home where AI not only responds to your commands, but anticipates your needs with a level of intuition that feels almost magical. Devices seamlessly communicate, creating an orchestra of automation that transforms your home into a living, breathing entity. It's not just smart, it's a symphony of intelligence that dances to the rhythm of your life. The heart of future innovations lies in the realm of personalization. AI will evolve to not only recognize your habits, but predict your desires before you express them. Imagine a home that adapts not just to your routines, but to your emotions, creating an environment that truly understands and caters to your ever-changing moods. It's not just a living space, it's a digital companion that grows with you. The future heralds the rise of interconnected smart ecosystems. Devices won't just work independently, they'll collaborate seamlessly to enhance your overall living experience. Your smart refrigerator will communicate with your meal planning app, which in turn syncs with your health tracking device. It's a holistic approach to smart living, where every device is a thread woven into the fabric of a magnificent tapestry. However, with every leap into the future, challenges arise. As our homes become more intelligent, so do the potential threats. The integration of AI across various devices creates a broader attack surface for cybercriminals. It's a digital battleground where the guardians of cybersecurity must evolve alongside the very technology they seek to protect. The ethical considerations of AI will come to the forefront. Questions of data ownership, algorithmic bias, and the ethical use of personal information will demand our attention. As we revel in the magnificence of AI, we must also grapple with the responsibility of ensuring that these technological marvels are built on a foundation of ethical principles and respect for privacy. The future of smart homes will undoubtedly be a cat-and-mouse game between innovators and cybercriminals. As security measures evolve, so will the tactics of those seeking to exploit vulnerabilities. It's a perpetual dance where staying ahead requires not just technological prowess, but a keen understanding of the human element in cybersecurity. As we peer into the crystal ball of smart home technology, the call to action is clear. Embrace the future with open arms, but fortify your defenses. Become not just users of technology, but guardians of its ethical and secure evolution.